Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Otter AI and Fathom. Otter AI and Fathom offers AI-powered meeting assistants but cater to different needs. Otter AI is an AI-powered transcription and note-taking tool designed to capture and organize meeting conversations. It provides accurate real-time transcription and detailed meeting notes. Users can collaborate by adding highlights, commands, and edits to transcripts. It offers seamless real-time transcription and integrates well with Zoom and Google Meet. It features a powerful search function to quickly locate specific parts of conversations. While feature-rich, its interface can feel overwhelming for new users. On the other hand, Fathom is an AI meeting assistant that creates automatic highlights and summaries from video calls. It offers seamless integrations with Zoom, making it easy to use during meetings. The tool is designed to help users quickly capture key points without listening to full recordings. Its interface is clear and simple, made to be straightforward for anyone to use. Although it provides less detailed transcription than Otter AI, it excels at summarizing meetings efficiently. In my opinion, Otter AI is best for detailed transcription and collaboration, while Fathom excels at quick meeting summaries. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.